this one species I really like called Homo naledi. It's only found in Rising Star cave system. It's in South Africa. They're only found in this cave. They're tiny. So they're like 4 feet tall, maybe 100 pounds. The cave system is incredibly complex. You've seen the people who go like cave diving, right?
Mhm.
And you have to like squeeze through areas. And it's evident that they were doing that because there's this place in the back of the cave that you have to squeeze through all of these places.
Mm.
And there was like a pit in the very back of the cave that they find all of the fossils.
Hmm.
And like why, why would that be?
Mm.
When somebody died, they, worked them all the way back and they were putting their family members there. And I think that that's so interesting. They had small brains, even smaller than a chimpanzee, but they seem to be doing this like a cultural burial practice. And like, what's the reason for that? Did they have a religion? Did they
Right.
believe in spirits?
And this was hundreds of thousands of years ago.
Homo naledi, the window, it's a pretty big window, but it's somewhere between 230 and 330,000 years ago
Right.
that they disappear. So, 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens were around that were not so much different from you and I. I think that there are something like 20 to 25 agreed upon early hominins, 15 of them. So over half are found in only one location.
Hmm.
So they'll be like in a cave. And you can imagine why a cave kind of shelters the bones from erosion and the elements. So you can only imagine, first of all, how many other single locations we just haven't been to that harbor more species that we don't know about. But also, how many species just didn't get preserved? Maybe they didn't ever go into a cave. It erases this image you can see in humanity and how society progressed, seemed evident to everybody around that humans were this one special thing and we were separate from
Mhm.
all the other animals, which have species, right? Bears, you got polar bears, you got brown bears, you got panda bears, grizzly bears. But humans didn't seem to be like that, right? We're all Homo sapiens. And, what the evidence is showing more and more is that humans were just the same. We just seem to be the only ones left.